Tell me what steps you'll take as a PA student to promote unity within your cohort.
Oh man. Um, I think something that I really enjoyed doing with my EM class, my paramedic class when I was in school was just getting together in smaller groups. We had a class of about 48, but we would have like dinner parties sort of where we'd all go to dinner or I'd invite some people over. So I'd love to do that with my PA classmates when we do have that spare moment of time to relax. Within the classroom, I think something that I can do to promote unity within the class is really not fostering any sort of environment of competitiveness. I think that that's something that happens a lot within pre-health students, no matter the field, really. Pre-professional students tend to be competitive with each other. So instead of talking about, oh, what did I get on this test? Or look at all the things that I'm doing and kind of humble bragging, I think encouraging each other to be the best that they can be individually and focusing on how they can improve themselves would do wonders for unity within the class. If we feel like we're going to be coworkers and not competitors, that would probably be the best thing I could do to encourage that attitude.